Hello, it's Emma, and for my AICEmediafinal, I'm going to be doing a craft-ish. So I have these little, shape things, and I have this bucket of beads. So I'm going to be creating, patterns, and here's my inspo, right here. So the first one I'm going to do is I'm going to make the gray cat on this little square thing, and I chose the gray cat because it kind of looks like my cat. So now we have to find all the colors in this bucket, so let's do it. Okay, so I got all my colors, and for reference, this is the cat I'm trying to recreate. Okay, and I have my square and my colors, so now it is time to start placing them. And I finished the cat. Look at it, so cute. I have to be careful though so it doesn't fall. Okay, the next one I'm going to attempt to do is this butterfly, but it's not really the same exact shape, so I don't know how well I'm going to be able to recreate this, but I'm going to try my best. Okay, and I got all the colors for my butterfly. And I finished the butterfly. This is how it looks. I'm very proud of it. Okay, and finally I have this dolphin cut out, but instead of making a dolphin, I'm going to make it an orca because it's summer, and summer equals ocean, and ocean equals orca. So. And the colors have been secured. I only needed black and white for this one because it's just an orca. And I finished my orca. Look at it. Oh, it's beautiful. Okay, and these are my 3 creations. We have the cat, the orca, and the butterfly. And now I have to go and iron them so they mold together. Okay, and now as the instructions say, to set them in place, I need parchment paper and an iron. Okay, we're gonna start with the orca because that one's my least favorite, so if I mess up, then whatever. So let me plug in my iron. I'm scared. I'm gonna burn myself. I'll put it to 3 or 2. Don't want to go too crazy now. So I think I just place it on. Oh, wait, I see it kind of working. I'm gonna turn it to 3. Okay, I completely fused it, and now I have to wait for it to cool and then peel this off and then iron the other side. Okay, placing the iron on. I hope it's not too close to the table. Whatever. I'm actually an idiot. I placed the wax straight onto the iron, like no parchment paper in between. What was I thinking? Oh my god. Okay, but I got it off though, and it left nothing. Because smart thinking, fast thinking. Oh my god. Okay, we're gonna try again. Placing the parchment paper over it. Turning back on the iron. And the orca is complete. Here's both sides. Now it's time to do these other 2. Okay, the iron's going on. Okay, let's see how it's doing. Alright, I think it is time to flip it. And so the butterfly is done. Here's both sides. I don't know which side I like better. They both have a lot of holes in them. And now last but certainly not least, this is my favorite one. I have the cat. Oh my god, it looks just like Izzy. I love it. Wow, it actually looks beautiful. Okay, I finished ironing everything, and I put I put yearbooks on top of them so they dry flat. Iron them again. They were curving, so that was kind of weird. Okay, and the animals are all completed. So we have the orca. We have the cat, or in other words, Izzy, And we have a butterfly. This is very fun. I remember I always did these as a kid, and I just saw them in my garage, and I was like, oh my god, I gotta do them, you know? So, this is what's going on. Bye!